Nokia 3300 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. You need the following tools: a straight-bladed screwdriver, a Torx Plus driver size 6, metal tweezers, the SRT6 opening tool, and a torque driver for tightening screws. Protect the window with a film. Remove battery cover. Pull A cover a bit at the top side. There are clips on both sides which have to be released before removing the A cover. Remove keypad. Also protect inner side of the window. Note the unscrewing order while releasing the Torx Plus screws. Take key guide assembly with UI PWB and center frame. Remove screws from key guide. Unlock key guide from center frame. Protect LCD with a film. Unlock LCD shield from key guide. Remove earpiece from LCD shield carefully. It is better to bend the key guide as shown, before releasing the light guide. Now remove light guide. Remove engine PWB from B cover. Take DC jack with tweezers so that the spring contacts will not be damaged. Do the same with line-in jack. Lever up vibromotor with tweezers. Level up IHF lid assay with SRT6. Press out microphone from IHF lid forcefully. Detach mult speaker from B cover and remove it. Take MMC hook with tweezers. Remove power key. Lever up antenna. Unlock volume key as shown. Now, disassembly procedure is completed.